guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, for this vlog, tatalakayan natin yung about yung symmetry, kung ano yung symmetry. So, yung symmetry, guys, yun pala yung two object, yung magkapantay, yung magkapareho yung both side niya. Tulad nito, meron kong example dito. Ay, by the way, yung symmetry pala is, pwede din siya makita sa ating mga paligid, sa ating mga nature. Tulad nito, isa po siya sa mga symmetry na both side, pag hinati ito siya sa gitna, yan, pag hinati ito sa gitna, magkakasame lang ang itong dalawa na. Yan, sila. Same sila sa pical, same sila dito. Kumbaga, pantay sila ng object.
TikTok, all stop.
What is symmetry and math? Symmetry is defined as a proportionate and balanced similarity that is found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other. There have four symmetry: radial, bilateral, translational, glide, reflection symmetry. Example of radial symmetry and the nature means that the parts of an organism are all arranged around one main axis, in which the side exhibit correspondence of regularity of parts around a central axis. Bilateral symmetry example, in which similar anatomical parts are arranged on opposite sides of a median axis, so that only one plane can divide the individual into essential identical halves. Translation symmetry: elements arranged in one direction are either placed within the rows of shoulder like columns or in the arches of an aqueduct in a sequential fashion. Glide reflection symmetry: operation that consists of a reflection over a line